CBSE, Science, Class 10, Chapter 3, Metals and Non-Metals.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
Give an example of a metal which A is a liquid at room temperature, B can be easily cut with a knife, C is the best conductor of heat, D is the poorest conductor of heat. Answers: A. Mercury, B. Sodium, C. Silver, copper, D. Lead, mercury. Explain the meaning of malleable and ductile. Malleable: the property due to which a substance can be beaten into thin sheet is known as malleability. For example, gold and silver. Ductile: the property due to which a substance can be drawn into thin wires is known as ductility. Many metals are ductile in nature. For example, gold and silver. Why is sodium kept immersed in kerosene oil? It is a highly reactive metal. Sodium reacts both with air and water. When kept in open, it readily combines with the oxygen present in air to form its oxide. Similarly, it reacts with water or moisture to form sodium hydroxide. 4Na plus O2, G, 2Na2O, 2Na plus 2H2O, L2NaOH, Ag plus H2, G. In order to preserve sodium metal, we generally keep it under kerosene so that neither air nor moisture comes in contact with it. Write the equations for the reactions of A. Iron with steam, B. Calcium with water. A 3Fe S plus 4H2O, G Fe3O4 S plus 4H2, G, B Ca S plus 2H2O Ca OH2 Aq plus H2, G. Samples of 4 metals A, B, C and D were taken and were added to the following solutions: iron 2 sulfate, copper 2 sulfate, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate one by one. The results obtained have been tabulated and answer the questions that follows. Metal A, no reaction with iron 2 sulfate, but displacement with copper 2 sulfate. Metal B, no reaction with copper 2 sulfate. Metal C, with all the first three but displacement with silver nitrate. And metal D, no reaction with all four. Based on the activity series, the relative position of the metals involved in solutions is Zn more than Fa more than Cu more than Ag, on the basis of the results given in the table. Metal A is more reactive than copper and less reactive than iron. Metal B is more reactive than iron and less reactive than zinc. Metal C is more reactive than silver and less reactive than copper. Metal D is equally a less reactive than silver. In the light of above the information, Metal B is more reactive than iron and less reactive than zinc. Refer question in textbook. Metal C is more reactive than silver and less reactive than copper. Metal D is equally a less reactive than silver. In the light of above the information, metal A is more reactive than copper and less reactive than iron. Metal B is more reactive than iron and less reactive than zinc. Metal C is more reactive than silver and less reactive than copper. Metal D is equally a less reactive than silver. In the light of above the information, we can conclude that A. Metal B is the most reactive. B. Since B is more reactive than iron, it is also more reactive than copper. This means that it would displace copper from copper 2 sulfate solution. The blue color of solution will slowly fade. C. The decreasing order of reactivity of metals is B, A, C, D. Which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal? Write the chemical reaction when iron reacts with dilute H2SO4. Hydrogen gas H2 is produced when a reactive metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Iron and dilute H2SO4 react as follows: FeS plus H2SO4 FeSO4 Aq plus H2G. What would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron 2 sulfate? Write the chemical reaction that takes place. The green color of the solution would slowly disappear. Zinc would gradually dissolve and iron would get precipitated at the bottom of the beaker. The reaction that takes place is ZnS plus FeSO4 Aq, ZnSO4 Aq plus FeS. Give electron dot structures for sodium, magnesium and oxygen. For sodium K is 2, L8, M1, so 1 dot. For magnesium K is 2, L8, M2, so 2 dots. For oxygen K is 2, L6, so 6 dots. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video.